my CL55 back. This is crazy. From Eurocharged. I'm telling you what, it is exhilarating. The sound, first of all, is crazy. The power, my God. So they said that these cars, even though they come factory stock 493 horsepower, that's at the crank, not at the wheel. They said at the wheel, you're only probably pushing 360 or something like that. So you're losing over 100 horsepower. They said approximately 12%, 30%, something like that. Oh my God. Oh my God. You want to hear it even better? Ridiculous. The sound is crazy. Unbelievable. The power, the response is crazy. So according to the test, to the printout, I'm now pushing, at the wheels, I'm pushing, I think he said like 499, 500 is what I'm pushing at the wheels now. So at the crank, I'm sure it's over 6. So I'm back, baby. This car has been pimped. West Coast Custom. Where exhibit at? This car is crazy, bro. This car is sick. This car is sick, man. Okay, everyone, I just want to let you know that Eurocharged Cincinnati is no joke. They did some incredible things to this car. We already know on my 03 CL55, I got the long tube headers, NBH. I got the smaller pulley. I think I went with 81. That way I don't have to upgrade my cooling system. This is not for the track. This is for daily driving. No reason to really push my system, my cooling system to its max and risk my motor overheating. Also, I did the tune. So with the long tube header, the smaller pulley, and the tune, I am now pushing 499, let's just say 500 horsepower at the wheels. So at the crank, it is likely in the over 6 range. They said you lose about 13%, 12%, something like that from the crank to the wheels. So the factory stock was 493 at the crank, and I was only probably doing like 360 at the wheel. So just a difference of 120 or so, 130, I don't know, something like that. Oh my God. Do y'all hear that? Oh my God. This car sounds crazy. Do you hear me? Eurocharged did they thing. Let me roll the windows down so you can really hear this joint. Whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah, I did it again. I said it again. Unfreaking believable. Unbelievable. This car sounds crazy. You hear me? Woo! I loved the car before. Now, oh my God. Oh God. Oh. Crazy. Eurocharged Cincinnati.